So, hey everyone, once again, welcome to our YouTube channel, Poonitesh, and here's your friend Nitesh. So, basically, last sessions we have covered, in last videos we have covered many topics related to our SUSE Linux server, basically OS, you can say. And in previous videos, we have covered how to download the installation media, how can we install VMware workstation, how we can install VM on VM or so SUSE Linux OS. Also, we covered many topics like registering the SUSE on SUSE Linux with registration code also. And then we covered network configuration. Then we covered block creation, additional disk creation, mounting those disk on the server. Everything, many things we have covered. So just these are few topics, and you guys can visit our video, our YouTube channel, and you guys can watch our videos. Those will be really helpful for you guys. And basically in this video session we are going to see how we can enable our SUSE Linux to download the packages. Okay, so for example, if you are doing some activity in your SUSE Linux, so in your VM, okay, and you found that some dependent file is missing, some dependent executable file is not there, our version is not matching. Then basically in SUSE we use command zypper, okay, to install that. So basically here I was doing an activity in which this dependency was there, this executable file, this is basically a package, it should be there, but it is not either. So my activity will stop now, anyhow I need this. So till now I have not registered this system on SUSE. Okay, so basically I didn't have the registration code. So to do this, we need to enable a network. Okay, without network, so we can't install any packages. It won't allow only. Okay. So what we did, we just took a registration code from SUSE, and after doing that, also it's saying cannot connect to server. Okay. So basically, this system is not exposed to internet. That's why it's saying cannot connect to any internet. Even I'm pinging a Google, it's saying service not unknown. Okay, so basically, how in this session we will see how we can access internet in our system and how we can expose this to internet. Okay, so here one two things we need to take care already. Many few now we have already set our gateway and all in last sessions to access our VM via in our private network. This VM, okay. So now here to configure this system to access internet, we need to just make two things, two changes in the system. One is resolv.conf file in etc, and one is in this one where it is, yeah, here is this config file. Okay, so basically this in this file we have to make two parameters changes. Okay, and when you will do these changes, automatically the changes which we want will make visible in this file, so we don't need to make manual edit in this. Okay, so here before changing the things, I have already displayed the file which this file. Okay, what is inside this? Here we can't see any name server, basically their DNS which will resolve these things. Okay, so we will if you have your own DNS in real world, in real application, during our projects, in our clients projects or our projects, we have our own DNS servers. Okay, so we don't use public Google DNS or anything. Okay, we use our own DNS server. So in this where I will maintain now public DNS servers, Google one, there we maintain our own DNS and that resolves those things. Okay, so here we need to check this first. So there was nothing, no name server was DNS server was maintained. So after that, what I will do after that, we will make changes in this. Okay, network config, and then we will check in this whether the things are came there or not. Okay, so basically we have to go. Okay. Okay, I guess I have not took the steps properly. Okay, let me see if I have taken a snip. So basically, I have shut down my name. This also. Okay, so let me show you here only. Okay, so here basically in this file, okay, etc config network config. In this folder, we have to go and we have to set two parameters. Okay, one is net config DNS. Okay, DNS static server. In this, we have to maintain two parameters. one is 888 and one is 111. Basically two DNS things. Okay, one is public and one is are just for local one. Okay, and one is DNS server, which is by default auto, but we need to make those static so that those will use these things here. Okay, so once this is done, after that, let me show you. Okay, after making changes in this folder, okay, we have to just manually like update the folder. Okay, so we need to use command net config update hyphen f. Once we have updated this folder with those two parameters, we have to execute this command. So basically what this command will do, this command will analyze this folder, and if any changes is there, so relevant changes will be take care in this. Basically name server from this server will be returned to this. Okay, so after this we just restarted our wick service. Okay, systemctl restart wick. Okay, and let me show where it is. So those we have did already. And now when we like IP route, when I type, so here we can see our gateway also we have added in route folders. Okay, so etc in that folder we have created one route. Okay, and in that we I have added the default gateway via this one. Okay, so here if you keep IP route, so here we can see our gateway also configured, our IP also there, and our DNS also set up. So after that when we are pinging, so it is successfully reaching Google also. And after that we have successfully registered our see yeah, so here I have maintained those parameters. Below I have attached this name. So basically by default it will be auto net config DNS policy. We need to make this static. Okay, so it won't change automatically to any DNS server. And another thing here DNS static server. Okay, so here we need to maintain those DNS server names. So basically I have kept these two. Okay, and after that just execute this command, these two command net config update to just resolv.conf. It will update the DNS name servers and restart the wig service. That's it. And after that just check the URL you are able to access or not. So google ping google.com, it's working. And after that we have executed our registration. SUSE connect, it's successfully connected and registered our system. Okay, command basically SUSE connect hyphen e email ID hyphen r registration code. Don't use my code, guys. In video I know my codes are visible, but be sensible. Okay, if okay, it will not allow. It's just registration code. I have my system already registered. Yeah, so here we can say successfully registered. Okay, successfully registered the system. And now here when I will give zypper install that dependency, it successfully installed this. Okay, so the this is the that's it for the this tutorial, guys. In this session we will successfully see how we can configure network, how we can access internet in the system, or how we can expose this to basically expose internet to our system and configure these things. Okay, so we check gateway configuration, we check DNS configuration, we start static our DNS servers also, we restarted the system, and we registered our system to Linux server, Linux also, and we have successfully installed one package also. So these many things we have covered in this such video. I know I'm speaking a little too fast, but you can guys go in slow mode. Okay, and just do guys support our channel, like, subscribe, and share, also comment. Okay, and do let me know in comment if it was helpful for you guys, if you have learned anything or if you have gained anything from my video. Just comment in chat from which background you are from, or like what makes made you watch this video. So accordingly I'll make more videos, and you guys can comment in chat if you are from anyone you are from SAP background. Okay, just comment okay, whatever question, whatever thoughts you guys have, I just want to encourage you guys to interact in the videos. Okay, so that will be helpful for you also and for me also. So once again, thank you everyone for watching my videos and visiting our channels. So just do subscribe and stay updated for our